Hello everyone, Cypher here. Today I will show you how to install my web panel for Space Engineers SESM. So first we have to disable the enhanced security configuration of Internet Explorer in order to access the web as we want. To do so, we go in the Server Manager and click on Configure IE/ESC. Then we check off for the administrators and click on OK. Next, we will go on the SESM topic on the Space Engineer forum to get the required software list. On the top of the installation tutorial, there is a prerequisite list. Here, we are on a fully updated Windows Server 2008 R2, so the .NET framework is already installed. Next on the list is IIS 7. To install it, we go back into the Server Manager and click on Add Roles. On the installation wizard, we check Web Server IIS. Then, on the subfeature list, we check ASP.NET. The wizard will take care of the installation and finally give us a brand new IIS server. The next item on the list is SQL Server Express. Click on the link to access the download page. Be careful to download the version according to your architecture. If you are on a 32-bit system, choose the x86 version and choose the x64 version if you are on a 64-bit system. When the download is complete, we can run the installer. On the new window, we click on New Installation. Of course, we accept the license. Here we only need the database engine service, so you can uncheck every other component. Here we leave all the default values. And here we do the same. So here's the important part of the installation. We have to check the mixed mode for the authentication mode and set a password we will use later while configuring SESM. Then the installation begins. It can be pretty long, but after we've got finally a working SQL Server Express instance. At last, we got to install a last piece of software, which is Web Deploy. As before, download the software according to your architecture. Here, no tricky part, just make sure to make a complete install of the software. To complete those installation, we restart the server. At last, we will finally install SESM, so we go back on the SESM topic on the Space Engineer forum, and on the Codeplex site we go on the download section and download the deploy package. When the download is complete, we extract the downloaded package. Now we need to make some modification of the applications pool to give admin rights for the website. To do that, we go into the Server Manager and in the IIS console, and we look in the application pool section. Here we see we are missing the ASP.NET 4 pool. To solve this problem, we'll need to execute a command in an admin command prompt to register the ASP.NET 4 application pool. So we copy this command from the SESM topic in the installation tutorial and we passed it into an admin command prompt. If all goes well, we should see two new application pools in the application pool section of the IIS manager. At last, we need to give the ASP.NET 4 pool admin rights. So to do that, we right-click on it and go into Advanced Settings, and we will change the identity field. We will set it with the credentials of an administrator account of the server. Then we will create the website to host the SESM panel. Right-click on the site item and click Add Website. In the site name, put SESM. This name is mandatory. Be careful to choose the right pool, the ASP.NET v4.0, as it will require the admin right to this application pool. For the physical path, create a folder on your hard drive and be careful to remember its path. When you click on OK, a warning pop-up will tell you that the default website already uses the port 80. So just acknowledge the warning, as we will disable the default website and enable the SESM website. To continue, we will install the SESM panel itself in the website we just created. For that, open an admin command prompt inside the folder with Shift right-click in the Explorer window and execute the sesm.deploy.cmd/y command. It will automatically install the SESM panel into the SESM website. At last, go into the folder you created before and edit the web.config file with a standard notepad. You have to change the value into the password field to the password you set for the SQL Express installation you've done previously. Save your file, and that's all you need to do to install the SESM panel itself. You still have to add the game files, but it will be the object of another video. That's all. Thanks for watching.